Hello guys, Osman here. So today I'm going to do a review video about a new product that just hit the market. It's called Fuego Breakout. So Fuego is actually created by Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong. So Brendan Mace is actually an experienced marketer, and Jono Armstrong as well is actually a very good marketer. And what I'll be covering today is Fuego Breakout claims, the members area, the upsells, and also some custom bonuses. So I want to show you what's inside the members area. But before I do that, I just want to show you what's on the sales page. So these are the claims: $200 per day on autopilot. Is this your breakout? Okay. So one of the claims here is new Fuego Breakout. Yes, new Fuego Breakout. 100% newbie friendly, no website or technical stuff, completely original strategies, takes 15-20 minutes, easy to do, free traffic on demand, the new way to make money, $200 per day on autopilot. Okay, so on the claims here, new Fuego Breakout, yes, it's a new breakout that's coming out, and 100% newbie friendly, absolutely, anybody that follows this can go through. No website or technical stuff. On this one I have to disagree, because you actually need a landing page, and you might as well need a website, and you might encounter some technical stuff if you are completely brand new. Completely original strategies, yes, the strategies that they taught in there is absolutely original and brand new. Take 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, if you're an experienced marketer, this might take you 15-20 minutes. However, if you're completely brand new, it might take you up to an hour and a half. Just depend on how much you can go through and learn. Easy to do method, absolutely. Free traffic on demand. In fact, it's not really free traffic. It's super cheap traffic, because the method that they're teaching is Instagram influencers followed by Google AdWords. New way to make money. Yes, it's a new way on how to make money. $200 per day on autopilot. Yes, the sky is the limit. You can make as much money as possible if you follow what's inside the course. So let's have a look what's inside the members area. So inside the members area, you got intro, overview, Fuego toolkit. Basically, you got 5 sections here and 10 modules. Okay. So in intro and overview, Jono is actually explaining the whole method on how this is going to work. So basically, he's showing here is the Instagram method, which you're going to get your funnel. It's going to show you how to create a funnel or landing page. And then you're going to place a tracking code from AdWords, which basically, when traffic is coming to this page, this tracking code is actually collecting data to be used later on, so that you can market on Google AdWords. And then what he's showing here, you got an email follow-up number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is going to an actual offer. So this is what this method is all about. It's showing you how to get very super cheap traffic from Instagram. Okay, and now the Fuego toolkit is going to talk to you about what is required. For example, every marketer knows, everybody that wants to make money online knows you need a funnel, or you need a landing page, if you may call it, or you need a website. So Jono is actually talking about the tools that you need to actually make the system work. Planning for profits. In this section, Jono talks about how to get approved on Warrior Plus and GVZoo, and explain that GVZoo is mostly for software, and Warrior Plus is where the top offers are. So he's showing you a very straightforward method that you'll get a 99.9% chance of getting approved to actually start promoting offers. The FIO pages. So in this section, you have 2 modules, which is FIO page option number 1, FIO page option number 2. So in this section, Jono actually talks about the Fuego toolkit. So in the previous module, he talks about the Fuego toolkit, the website landing pages. So in this section, he actually show you detailed step-by-step instruction on how to actually set this up. So this is very detailed information, and Jono mentioned even his grandma can follow this, so which is pretty cool. Loading your Fuego laser gun. So in this section, Jono talks about Google remarketing. So he goes in depth about how setting up your AdWords account, how to set up your pixel on your page, and this section alone is very detailed information, and this is actually going to show you how this is going to work. Inserting the Fuego bullets, excuse me. So in this section, Jono talks about how to set up your autoresponder, how to set up your mailing list, and how to do your follow-up emails, so that everything is congruent to actually make this method work. Breakout time, Fuego traffic surge. So in this method, Jono talks about how to get traffic from Instagram influencers, which I mentioned earlier. So in this section, you're going to see how he actually searched for Instagram influencers who are selling super dirty cheap traffic. So that's pretty amazing. The Fuego taser, in this section, he covers on how to actually set up your Google AdWords images and everything you need to know about AdWords. In this section, he covered it, right? Becoming a full-time Fuego agent. So in this one, Jono is actually inviting you to join his 52 weeks group coaching, where he actually go in depth detail on how you can make money online. So there's a lot to learn about how to make money online, especially if you're complete brand new. So this is actually very helpful. So this is invitation to actually become a full-time agent. So now I've covered what's inside the course. Let's look what on the upsell. So upgrade number one, set $7, done for you, Fuego Breakout funnels. So this section is for people who want to speed up the process and they don't want to waste time actually creating landing pages and all that stuff. So we take upgrade number one, all this will be ready for you. Upgrade number two, this is more like easy profit system. It's a done for you business in a box. So what it does, giving you all the funnels, all the swipes, all you have to do is copy and paste. Upgrade number three, limitless traffic for 365 days. So basically what Jono does, he actually helps you to place your pixel on his sales page. So this actually helps your pixel get data, and obviously it's going to help you to make future sales. Upgrade number four, $67 breakout Rolodex. So this allows you to make money easily with Fuego Breakthrough. So basically what this is about, it's actually connecting you with other GV partners, joint ventures partners, who actually helps to sell product. So this is very good. Upgrade number five, license rights, 100% commission by selling Fuego Breakout as their own product. This is for people who wants to earn 100% commission on all the upgrades and make it like your own product. Upgrade number six, $397, 52 weeks group coaching. So what this does, if you're brand new and you want to learn all the secrets about Brendan Mace and Jono Armstrong, so this is definitely for you, because you're going to get a lot of value just by being into their mastermind. Downsell, $497, trial to $600 a month. If you cannot afford the $397, you can opt in for the downsell, which is $495 and then $67 a month. So this is very good, and if you're just getting started and if you cannot afford $397. And my take for this is to buy OTO number two, which is easy profit system. So you get a lot of funnels that is ready made for you. You can just simply copy and paste. And then I would suggest you go for downsell number six, which is $495 trial to $67 a month, right? So this is going to save you a lot of money, because you don't have to spend $397 upfront. However, if you can afford it, just fine. If you can't, then this is going to be a huge plus. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about my custom bonuses. I'm not going to offer you hundreds of bonuses to overwhelm you, because I want to help you through this course if you decided to purchase it. So bonus number one, I'm giving you access to my ultimate affiliate mastery course, which is created by myself and my business partner Samir. Bonus number two, any custom bonuses of your choice, right? I will find it and give it to you. As mentioned, this course alone is sufficient to start making you money online. So information overload could be overwhelming. That's why I don't want to throw a lot of bonuses here. I want you to choose which bonuses you want, and then I will go and find it. Bonus number three, free access to my training, just for reading this entire process, for watching this video. And this method I've never actually showed it to the general public, so you're going to get a lot of value just for just going through this training. Bonus number four, I will help you install your Google Pixel, help with your landing page, even install a landing page software, Insta Builder, and help set up your ad. So this is basically applies to action takers, people who buy through this link, and I'll also add you to my mastermind Facebook group, where you get access to me personally and my business partner Samir. So all you have to do is click here and actually get Fuego Breakout, and also you get access to the training here, and you can add my partner Samir on Facebook, and you can add me on Facebook as well. So I hope you enjoy this review, and I'll see you on the internet.